this is kind of big news for everybody, but I'm gonna be Alright, hey, so what's up guys? So from today's video, we are pretty much like a 2-minute walk from our house, and so we have this beautiful like sunset type of sun, I guess. So as if you guys know, for videographers and photographers, this is golden hour. This is the best time to shoot, whether it's for video or photo. Reason because we have the sun to the side, so we can kind of control where the light is coming from, as if when you shoot coming from the top, there's nothing really you can do. So me and Franklin, we're going to be taking some pictures of each other, kind of show you guys the scene that we're in, and yeah, just have fun, you know, get some coffee, get a bowl of cereal and enjoy. Alright guys, so me and Franklin, we took a couple of pictures already. We're going to try to keep more. We're going to try to take advantage of the sunset right now. So yeah, just, you know, we're just going to see what we can make out of this. Come on, Franklin. Okay. Alright, so right now I'm just going to kind of frame him like right here just to, I just want to see what we're working with here. So I'm going to be shooting with my 85mm 1.8. Pretty sure you guys already guessed it. So yeah, let's take a look. Alright guys, so for those of you that don't know, Franklin is actually kind of looking to get into photography, which is great for me because, you know, as a creative, the best thing to do is to kind of, you know, collaborate with people that are like-minded. Like, if you try to collaborate with somebody that has no creativity, your creativity is just going to be drained out of your body because of that person. So it's always good to be working with like-minded people. So we're going to take a couple more pics and show you guys what we got. I'm going to leave my Instagram and Franklin's Instagram and the links in the description down below. So make sure to click the link and give us a follow.
Yeah man, it's like, for anybody who's watching this right now, one of the things I really want to say, man, is if you guys subscribe to my brother's channel, we really appreciate it. And you know, a lot of people have this creative mind but don't know how to put content out there like that. And to have like YouTubers like my brother who can help you out and have your content put out there is really the greatest thing you could ever have. It's one of the greatest assets because you have so much in your mind, but when you're able to see things like in real life form, it's what you want from everything. So, you know, I really thank you guys for supporting my brother, and hopefully you guys stay here for the long run. Peace.
Okay, so right now we're gonna try to take more shots. I kind of want Franklin to get kind of close to up there, maybe get like a sit, because the sun will be hitting him directly. We gotta take advantage. We don't have much time. The sunset is about to hit soon, so we gotta take advantage right now. So you want to go up there? So yeah, just remember, I'm shooting this with the 85. Should I zoom forward for this? Yep, with the 85 1.8. If you need a lens to buy that's a prime, get the 85. So I'm gonna let Franklin, believe it or not, he actually pretty good. He kind of knows how to, like, you know, do composition and photography. I'm just kind of you know, giving him little pointers, things that I did when I started. So yeah, here you go. It's my baby, so you can see I trust him. Alright, Franklin, so what are we gonna be doing?
Well, honestly, I'm gonna be taking pictures of whatever I feel should be like. Right now, the sun is hitting the trees like perfectly. So me, I'm really more of a person that likes to find out what I'm gonna do. I don't plan ahead, so I think there's beauty in that. I don't know if you guys can see this, but you see this? That's like, that could be a wallpaper. You see? Like these things, I don't plan them. I just do what I feel I should do. That's the type of creative person I am. A lot of people have different styles, and I think that's who I am as a creative person. So, yeah.
Or no, so if you guys might notice, this video is a little bit different than the previous videos that I've been doing. You know, sometimes as a YouTuber, when you're starting, you try to create the videos that other creators have made that get so many views, and then, but once you're chasing that, you're creating for the wrong purpose. You're not having fun. You're doing it for the view count instead of having fun with it and kind of show the people like who you truly are. So that's the reason for today's video being so different. I had another video in mind, but I felt like you guys were gonna get much more value out of today's video. So let's try to keep on shooting more pics. Up there, kind of, so we can take advantage of the sun since it's going down a little bit already, to be honest with you. Some really nice pictures. So I can try to go up there and kind of see what. I just have to leave this camera right here, kind of like right here. Wish me luck. Hopefully we don't regret this. When he was knocking on your door, nobody got in. Now when you're screaming for a hand, nobody's listening. I'm not gonna lie, when I was up there, I'm not a big fan of heights. I was a little scared, I'm not gonna lie. How was that? Was that a thrilling adventure?
Yeah, man. I mean, I felt like we were about to die, but that's what you do for creativity, huh?
Hey, Mom and Dad, if you're watching, we're so sorry. Yo, check out the pics I got, though. When you was knocking on your door, nobody got in. Now when you're screaming for a hand, nobody's listening. This is far from the end. You gotta be back for more. Alright, so for the most part, we're almost done. So from the looks of it, it looks like my dad just started using the weed whacker. So if you guys hear that, just know it was him, not us. Actually, he gave me the sweater though. So if you like it, you know, let me know.
Yeah, man. Pretty much the sun is basically going away with us, so we took advantage at the right time.
Hey, you know that sometimes you can't beat time. Time will always beat us. Yeah, that makes sense. So we're just gonna try to take a little bit more shots. I do have like a small light. Like I really wanted to try some night photography with this 85 1.8. Not sure what's gonna happen, but we'll give it a shot. Either way, this was just kind of like a different type of style video for you guys. So yeah, we'll see what happens. Ooh, look at me, I'm orange. If you guys have not gotten one, you guys gotta get a light. This light, the aperture. I forgot the name. I'm not gonna lie. If I have a video, I'll link it up. You kind of want to hold it and see kind of what we get.
Yeah.
All right. Let's try to do it this way, like kind of like this way. Let's see. Trying to see.
It's like the sun is like.
The sun is pretty much gone at this point.
It's only the sunset, but you can still get some good pics.
Oh, I got a cool idea. I think I might just put this on the floor and you trying to like go and pick it up. So let's try to get that shot. You can leave it right there. Yeah, like kind of like right here maybe.
What do you want me?
Like this, and like you like pretending to like grab it. Alright. So for this shot, we're pretty much gonna be like him trying to get the light, but I'm not gonna shoot at the light. I'm gonna shoot at him with the 85mm. See kind of what we get. Alright. So pretend like you're reaching down to get something. try to. Alright, now what is some cute? Hold it down like that. Oh yeah, that's cool. It looks like kind of like you're holding this. Oh, this looks. Check it out. Yeah, that looks nice.
If you guys see that scene, it looks like I'm getting an infinity stone, but
We tried, but Thanos took it. So we got a couple nice shots with the light. I still kind of want to try a little bit more and see what we can get before we go inside. So let's okay, try to hold it like that. Like that.
I'm fine to be blind after this, bro.
Right there. Out the way. Yeah, good. That pretty much wraps it for today. We took some great pictures. We hope you guys enjoy them. Like I said, we're gonna leave our Instagrams in the description down below, so make sure to give us a follow. Also, this is kind of big news for everybody, but I'm gonna be able to, how do I put this? So for now on, if you want to hire me to do any portrait or video work, I'm more than open to do it. Before I wasn't, just simply because my main focus was YouTube, but given the crisis that we live right now, I figured, like, why not start now? If I can do a great job in the middle of a pandemic, I'll be doing an even better job when this whole economy goes back to how it was. But anyways, if you want to hire me, I'm gonna have my email right here, or you can send me a DM in my Instagram. You can contact Franklin, or Franklin will contact me. Either way, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you made it this far in the video, just two dudes with creative ideas trying to capture them in an image, pretty much. So we'll see you in the next one. Peace.
I'll follow back.